Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are here to help you. So in today's video, I'm simply going to show you how you could easily add multiple stops on Google Maps. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to simply open up the Google Maps mobile application. Now from here, what you have to do is to simply select a route. For example, I'm selecting a route as like this, and from starting from here home, now it has concluded a route for you. Suppose like it has created a route. Now in order to add multiple stops in your Google Maps route, what you have to do is to simply tap on three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. There you will get the second option named as add stops, so simply tap on that. And now first of all, what you have to do is to simply select a location on which you want a stop. You can search for the destination and you can also tap on the map in order to fix that destination. And repeating the same process, you can add as much as stops you want. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.